Dear students, today we will start fourth chapter, data structures. The main objectives of data structures to understand the concept of data structure, to understand the types of data structures, to understand the operations on different data structures and implementations of different data structures. I will give a brief introduction to data structures. First, we'll see what is data. Data is nothing but a collection of raw facts that are calculated and manipulated by computers. Data may contain single value or set of values. For example, student's name may contain three sub-items like first name, middle name and last name, whereas student's register number can be treated as a single value. See in this example, student's name is considered as a set of values because it contains three sub items. Yes, whereas student's register number can be treated as a single value. Okay, then we'll go to data structure. What do you mean by data structure? Data structure is a specialized format for organizing and storing data in memory that considers not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. Means in order to process the data should be organized in a particular way. This leads to structuring of data. Students, you have to remember two main things. First one is utilization of space by data in memory. This leads how much memory space is taken to store the data. Second one is optimization of time taken for processing. This leads how long does the computer take to operate an operation. These two things plays an important role in data structures. Therefore, the data structures are efficient way. The data structures are efficient way to organize the data. Classification of data structure. Data structures are divided into two categories. First one is primitive data structure. Second one is non-primitive data structure. So this is a classification of data structure. Primitive data structure. Data structures that are directly operated upon by machine level instructions are known as primitive data structures. The integers, floating point number, logical data, character data, string constants, pointers are primitive data structures. The various operations that can be performed on primitive data structures are create, selection, updating, destroy or delete. Non-primitive data structures are more complicated data structures. These data structures are derived from the primitive data structures. The non-primitive data structures leads on structuring of group of homogeneous means same type data items or heterogeneous different data items. The primitive data structures are classified as linear and nonlinear data structures. Linear data structures. Linear data structures are kind of data structure that has homogeneous elements. Homogeneous elements means same type of elements. The data structure in which elements are in a sequence and form a linear series. Linear data structures are very easy to implement since the memory of the computer is also organized in a linear fashion. Some commonly used linear data structures are stack, queue and linked list. Next, move on to the non-linear data structures. A non-linear data structure is a data structure in which data item is connected to several other data items. Means it contains a heterogeneous elements. Means there it has a different type of data items. Non-linear data structure may exhibit either a hierarchical relationship, means in a tree structure, or parent-child relationship. The data elements are not arranged in a sequential structure. See students, in linear data structure there the data elements are arranged in a sequential structure, but in non-linear data structure the data elements are not arranged in a sequential structure. The different nonlinear data structures are trees and graphs. The various operations that can be performed on non-primitive data structures are traversal, insertion, selection, searching, sorting, merging, destroy or delete. Traversal. The process of accessing each data item exactly once to perform some operation is called traversing. Insertion. The process of adding a new data item into the existing data structure is called insertion. Selection. It is used by users to access data within data structures. Searching. The process of finding the location of data in the given collection of data items is called searching. Sorting. The process of arrangement of data items in ascending or descending order is called sorting. Merging. The process of combining the data items of two structures to form a single structure is called merging. Destroy or delete. The process of deleting an existing data element from the given collection of data elements is called deletion, or destroying the elements from the memory locations. Thank you.